my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I achieved this easy summer jumbo braids type fun hairstyle. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and stay tuned. So as you guys can see, I look really crazy right now. My hair is extremely thick, and with this hairstyle I really didn't want to straighten my hair. I want to say I've been 6 months heat free, and I didn't want to like straighten my hair or anything for this hairstyle, so I just went ahead and like blow dried it on like cool temperature. So this is my hair blow dry. And also what I went ahead and did was separate it with rubber bands. So with this hairstyle you're gonna need a pack of rubber bands, and then of course edge control, braiding hair, all of your essentials. I'm gonna go ahead and link it down in the description box for you guys to check it out. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this video started. So like I mentioned, as you guys can see, I went ahead and separated my hair. Let me come closer. So like I just separated it. This side is like tied up because I'm gonna do this side first. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys now what I do from here on out. So now that my hair is all separated, like I mentioned, I went ahead and did the whole head, and I did it off camera just because it was too much. Sometimes I get so annoyed with my hair. If you guys are like that too, like comment down below. Like you just get so annoyed with the thickness of your hair? It's so annoying. But anyways, like I mentioned, I went ahead and separated it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the first braid for you all. And then with that, of course, I'm gonna go ahead and just take this rubber band off. If you try to like pull it off, you're gonna pull your hair off. So don't do that. And now I'm gonna add the edge control using like my little mini brush. Brush it good. And I'm going to put rubber band back on, but I just wanted it to be a lot more smoother when I put the rubber band on. And then I'm going to be using my Eco Styler gel. You can use any gel. I know right now like there's this controversy with Eco Styler gel and it causes cancer and stuff. Once I'm done with this, I'm not buying anymore. So that's that. But I'm still using it as of now. And how do you guys feel about that too? Because I mean, as like a natural girl, Eco Styler is like one of my go-to gels. So like to be on the internet and hearing all this cancer talk, I don't know. I guess I'm gonna have to find like another alternative. But yeah, now I'm gonna take another rubber band and just put it on here. Now like my brand new set, and you don't want to tie it too tight. If it starts feeling tight, go ahead and loosen it up a bit. But as of now, it feels not tight, which is good. And then just add a little bit of gel to your ends. This is one thing of hair I'm gonna use. I already have all my hair like stretched out in front of me, and I just take them just for measuring purposes. And then what you want to do, of course, split the hair in half and you go like that, and you get to braiding. Putting the rubber band on, it's very like convenient because it makes like gripping very like easy and stuff. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and braid my hair. And then I put like gel in the back of my hand because to get that easy glide as you braid. Let me come closer. I don't know if you guys can see. And take your time. If you're not like a fast braider, I don't consider myself a fast braider. So just take your time and go with ease. And yeah, like I said, I'm braided all the way to the bottom until I cannot go anymore. And for my hair, I bought pre-stretched hair, so I recommend that you guys get that as well. So that way you don't have to deal with like all that. This is the first one. I'm going to show you guys one more time. And now we're going to move on to this side of the hair. This hairstyle is really, really easy, you guys. This is like one of my go-tos. So, but usually when I do it on my hair, when my hair is straightened. Like I did it last summer and my hair straightened, and it didn't even take as long because my hair was like, you know, when your hair is straightened, it's easier to manage. So that really helped.
So what you want to do, like I mentioned, you get your edge control, place it around perimeters of whatever hair you decide to do. And then you get your little edge brush. You just brush it so it can be sleek. And then you want to grab like a little bit of gel, not a lot, just a tiny bit. And you just like put it all over. And then you kind of put some on the ends too. You don't need to do this. I will honestly skip the gel part if my hair was straightened. And then you grab your pre-stretched hair that you're gonna lay out in front of you, so it's like easy access. And then you split it in twos. But yeah, you grab your rubber band and you go like this, you know, place it on there. And make sure it's not too tight because you don't want to pull on your edges. So yeah, you have that. And then you get the hair. Let's get it. Let's get to braiding.
How you get the perfect braid. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do like all of these other ones, and I will be back.
Once more how I go ahead and start the braiding pattern. Ooh, my hair is something else. So don't mind that white stuff, that's just edge control. I'm going to brush it out. First thing what you want to do is comb out your hair, of course. And then grab your edge control. Add some more, add some more. And then just go ahead and like brush it out. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more gel. Just a tiny bit. And then I'm going to use my rubber band to go ahead and wrap that around. And some of these steps you can honestly skip. Like if you, like rubber band, you got to be careful with it because it's going to pull your hair. So if you want to skip the rubber band and you're really good at braiding, you just want to go ahead and just braid it, you can do that too. And if you want to skip the gel part, you can also do that because, like I mentioned earlier, I'm only applying gel and stuff to kind of like tame my hair a little bit because it's just blow dry. It's not like straightened or anything. And then what you do is my pre-stretched hair. So because I want the front a little bit longer, so like if I flip it to the back, it will like fall backwards. I'm just gonna, it will fall all the way back like towards my butt area. Then I'm just gonna stretch it out a little bit. So yeah, pre-stretched hair. Now, the front, so I'm going to braid it backwards. Going backwards, because I want it to fall like any direction I want it to fall in. I don't want it to just be stiff.
Sorry guys, when I was showing you the last bits of me braiding the last hair, my camera battery had died, so I couldn't really like finish it off. But now I'm going to show you guys how I get the little zigzag thing.
Right here what I have is some old hair that I used last time. These blonde tips, I'm going to use them to get like the crisscross. So what you want to do is, of course, since I want it to be blonde, I'm going to cut out the blonde little strings like this. I don't know if you guys can see this. But yeah, like that. Now what you want to do is, I start from the top like this. And I go crisscross. Feeling I cut it too soon. Should have tied it. Guys, make sure to double knot it. I forgot. Just retie it once that happens. But this time, make sure to double knot it. Or triple if you can. And there you have it. I just need to dip it. Right now my hot water is on the stove. So just go back and touch up on all of the braids that are coming out loose. And I'll be back to show you guys when I dip it.
Here you guys is the final finished product. My hair is still very much so wet because I had just dipped it. I don't know if you guys can tell, and I kind of cut it a little bit. But yeah, this is the finished product. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you guys would like to see me do more different hairstyles, leave suggestions down below. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna leave all the products and everything that I use down in the description box. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and you thought it was helpful, and if I can contribute to your living your best life all summer 18 with this hairstyle, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video.